Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up and use Gemini with Janitor AI. It's really simple and easy. So first of all, you have to come for this link, which is aistudio.google.com/app/API key. And when you are here, first of all, you need to hover and sign in and then click on this create API key. Now from there, you can see this. So you can search for Google Proud Project, or you can create an API key based on that as well. Once you have selected the project, click onto this create API key in existing project. Now the next step is to just head over and copy this key and head over to Janitor AI. Once you are there, you just need to go over to your API settings. You can do so by going to this part right there. From this part, you just need to paste the API key that we get from Gemini and then just choose a custom option, name it Gemini slash 2.5 slash, and then input the API proxy URL, which is the generative language.googleapis.com. Then choose or paste the API key and just verify it, and once you are done, you should be able to have it right here. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to set up and use Gemini with Janitor AI. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.